Hi guys, it's me Elijah once again. I would like to show you how to find the IP address of your Azure instance and then use it to connect with SSH. Now, when you log into your Azure dashboard, you're gonna find your Azure machine. In most cases, it's gonna be listed on the recent resources page on the home page. As you can see, I have my instance that is running and it's named tutorial. Now what I do is to click on it and then it will take me to the details about it. Now you can see that the status of the machine is running and it has a public IP address. This is the address that you're supposed to use to connect with SSH. So when I copy it, I can fire up my SSH client. I already have SSH installed on my machine, local machine. So if I want to connect to this instance remotely using SSH, I'll just use SSH and then use the username from the account, the SSH account I created, and paste the IP address. So are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, so you type yes, and it is gonna ask me for a password that I created. It's quite a long password. Let me type in once again. Maybe my password, I don't know what is happening, but maybe I should reset my password here. But basically that is the way to go. Like you have to put to get the username. Sorry, I think I used the wrong username. I used the wrong username for my SSH. Let me do this once again. Sorry about that. Let me do this once again. Okay. SSH, I used the wrong spelling. Elijah at the IP address and the password. Okay, we are connected. Initially I had used the wrong username. It wasn't in the SSH account, so it was bringing back an error. So basically now I'm connected to my Azure instance. You can see the machine is called tutorial, and when you check, the machine is in the tutorial group, but the name of the machine is tutorial. The virtual machine is tutorial, and you see it has a local IP address, the private IP address of the machine, the IPv4, and when you check down here, you can see that this is the private IP address of the machine. And that is all. You can run any command you want with the machine. You can you can update sudo apt update sudo apt update sudo apt. I don't know why it keeps on doing that. I'll have to find out. Right, sudo apt update. Okay. So you can see that it keeps on running. It will run and update. So it is updated. It has updated. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and talk about servers and enterprise IT deployment. See you.